meatball? Really?
Meatball?
Meatball.
Meatball. Meatball?
Ooh, meatballs!
Scrambled eggs.
Yep, scrambled eggs.
Scrambled eggs.
Famous super cheesy scrambled eggs.
Scrambled eggs.
Scrambled eggs.
Some scrambled eggs.
Okay.
Curry chicken.
Curry.
Curry.
Turkey curry.
Mashed potatoes?
Mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes.
The mashed potato.
Mashed potatoes.
What is tofu?
Tofu.
It's tofu.
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 Casserole.
It's a casserole.
And the casserole.
Casserole.
Eat your casserole.
It's a crepe.
Crepe, crepe.
Crepe. Berry crepe, please, with...
Risotto. Risotto.
Karen.
Risotto?
Lobster risotto.
Famous risotto.
Risotto. Lasagna.
Breakfast lasagna.
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 Lasagna. A kebab and chips.
So wings and kebab joint.
A what?
A kebab.
Cuffs at the ready. Kebab shops.
Shish kebab time.
Schnitzel.
Schnitzel. Baumkuchen.
Schnitzel and possibly Pictionary.
Holy schnitzel.
What's schnitzel?
For shawarma.
You usually cut it up on a skewer, kind of like shawarma.
Rice shawarma. Shawarma paste. Okay, sir.